In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check purchasing power on Affirm. If you're curious how much you might be able to spend with Affirm before you shop, the process is quick, simple, and it won't affect your credit score. This check is a soft inquiry, so you can use it confidently to plan your budget and compare payment options. There are two places you can look. You can check directly inside the Affirm app, or you can see it right before checkout at many partner stores that offer Affirm as a payment option. The experience is slightly different in each place, so I'll start in the app and then explain what to expect at checkout. To view it in the app, log into your Affirm account. On the Home tab, look for the button labeled Check My Purchasing Power and give it a tap. Affirm will run a quick, no-impact check and then display your current purchasing power right on the Home tab. This is the amount you can use to apply for payment plans and shop within the app. So think of it as a real-time snapshot that helps you decide what fits comfortably into your budget. If you use the Affirm card, you'll also find your purchasing power on the card tab. That way, whether you're browsing in-app offers or planning an in-store or online purchase with the card, you'll see the same information in a centralized place. A few helpful notes as you use this feature: purchasing power isn't static. It can change over time based on a number of factors, and it may differ by merchant, cart contents, or promotions. Seeing an amount available doesn't guarantee approval for every single transaction, because the final decision can also consider the specific purchase at checkout. Still, checking in advance gives you a clear starting point and can save you time when you're ready to pay. When you shop at a partner store that offers Affirm, your purchasing power will show up during the checkout process when you select Affirm as your payment method. It's the same idea as the in-app check, just tailored to that purchase. You can recheck your purchasing power whenever you like. It only takes a moment, and repeating the check still won't impact your credit score. If your amount changes, that's normal, and it simply reflects the most up-to-date view based on your profile and recent activity. That's all there is to it. Log in, tap Check My Purchasing Power, review the amount, and shop with confidence knowing where you stand before you buy.